We are bracing for some storms here.
We are, and I still think the worst of the storms are going to be north and west of Alabama, but we do have a couple of rounds that we need to track here over the coming days. Tuesday and Wednesday are first warning impact days, but that's going to come in multiple rounds. So the first round of storms will arrive overnight tonight through Tuesday morning. I think the morning commute tomorrow, this time tomorrow, will look a lot different with some rain and storms in the area. And then as we head into Tuesday evening, Tuesday night through Wednesday morning, there could be some additional strong or even severe storms. And then for at least our southern counties on Wednesday afternoon and evening, there could be another round of some scattered severe storms too. So let me show you what we've got heading into the overnight period tonight and into Tuesday morning. So this is the Storm Prediction Center outlook. Obviously the worst of the weather, as I mentioned, staying north and west of us, but you can see we do have a low end threat of level 1 out of 5, or a marginal risk for areas north and west of 5920 as those storms come in. Mainly a wind and a hail issue for any of those storms overnight tonight into tomorrow morning that do decide to get out of hand. Through the day today, I think we're mainly dry. I can't rule out a couple of showers or isolated storms there in far northwest Alabama, but then you'll notice overnight in through really starting before daybreak tomorrow morning, you can see some of those storms pushing south and east. Heavy downpours, some locally gusty winds, and maybe even a little bit of hail with those. This is through 9 o'clock, and you can still see some storms kind of hanging around. And then we get into Tuesday afternoon, evening, in through Wednesday morning. Now the outlook is a little bit higher, so you can see a level 2 out of 5, or a slight risk for most of our area heading into that time frame. And so we pick up the future track heading into Tuesday. So this is 10 o'clock in the morning. You can still see some ongoing storms, and again, some gusty winds possible, but I expect that these will be below severe limits heading through the latter part of the morning into the early afternoon. Then we get into Tuesday evening, and we've got some storms that have developed back to our west. This is around 7, 8 o'clock Tuesday evening, and a couple of those could be on the stronger side, so we'll have to keep a real close eye on those. Instability will be a little bit higher as we've had a chance to kind of warm through the day. And then heading into Tuesday night through Wednesday morning, we've got another cluster of heavy storms that'll be rolling through, and some of these could have some strong gusty winds. I think more than anything, this is going to be a really good rain producer for us overnight in through Wednesday morning. And then that next round, or that last round, so to speak, coming in Wednesday late in the afternoon into Wednesday night, we could tap into some higher fuel here, which could mean a few strong or severe storms for some of our southern counties during that time frame. So we've got a few rounds of some storms that are expected to bring us, first of all, some beneficial rain, but there could be some locally strong or damaging winds, some large hail, and a very low tornado threat with any of those rounds, especially Tuesday and into Wednesday. There's a look at our temperatures too, and you'll notice heading into the end of the week, we do get cooler. Temperatures in the afternoons expected to be in the 70s, and lows getting a little bit chilly too, 40s and 50s by the weekend. Back to you.